Welcome to the enchanting forests of the United Kingdom, where nature's tranquility meets vibrant biodiversity. These woodlands weave a tapestry of life and beauty across the landscape. From the ancient oaks of the New Forest to the legendary Sherwood Forest, these woodlands are steeped in history and folklore, fostering a sense of wonder and mystique. Beyond their beauty, UK forests are vital ecosystems, providing habitats for wildlife, purifying the air, and preserving biodiversity for future generations. These woodlands also offer endless opportunities for adventure and leisure, from hiking and wildlife spotting to quiet moments of reflection amidst nature's embrace. As we conclude our glimpse into the UK's forests, let's celebrate and cherish these green havens. They're not just forests, they're sanctuaries that connect us to the natural world. Thank you for exploring the UK's forests with us. Until next time, may these woodlands continue to inspire and nurture us. Farewell. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you again.